We all know the many benefits walking and cycling can bring to our health, well-being, the environment and our communities. But have you ever wondered how to enhance cycle networks without compromising the natural beauty of an area or negatively impacting wildlife and biodiversity? The Solar Eye 80 solar ground light was designed to meet this challenge, enhancing the experience of cycling and walking, whilst delivering a whole range of additional benefits. Providing wayfinding light and highlighting hazards allows path users to navigate cycle networks more safely after dark. Safer cycle paths attract more users, which may contribute to a reduction in crime and an increased sense of safety through strength in numbers and civil security. Harnessing the power of the sun is sustainable and better for the environment. Solar ground lighting is economic to install and requires next to no ongoing maintenance. Whilst being aesthetically pleasing, solar ground lighting does not cause light pollution, and for conservation-sensitive areas and dark sky reserves, the Solar Eye 80 Bat Hat product reduces upward light spillage by 98%, minimising disruption to nocturnal wildlife, yet from the side profile, provides the same nighttime visibility for cyclists as the original Solar Eye 80 product. Furthermore, the warm white colour option is believed to further reduce the impact of artificial lighting on the roosting and foraging patterns of bats. Contrary to the common misconceptions about the quality and effectiveness of solar lights, Solar Eye 80s were designed for Northern European weather conditions, and their long-life LFP batteries mean you can expect them to last for more than 8 years. They're 100% waterproof and compression tested to 55 tonnes. They fit almost flush with the ground and are skid resistant, making them the ideal product for cycle paths and pedestrian walkway.